So this is our new backyard. We've been here for, how long would you say?
3 months.
3 months. So the landlord's been pretty cool and let us redo the backyard. So we did all this gravel and pavers and everything. So we got this little spot that's open for plants, and we have an idea of what we want. There's these really cool plants like 20-30 minutes south down the coast from here, and they're succulents, right? They're succulents. Yeah. They're like white, kind of like light blue. So we're gonna go down there and pick up one of these wild plants and plant them here is the idea. But the hard thing is that they're planted, like you can only get them like on the edge of a cliff. Like it's up really steep areas. So we're gonna try and find the lowest one, the easiest one to get, bring it back here and plant it. That's the mission for today. So we stopped to look at some stuff on the side of the road, and we're actually finding these succulents sooner than we thought we would. But yeah, they're in hard to reach places. It's like something out of Dr. Seuss. I've always been curious about this place. Interesting.
Right in the middle of it.
That looks pretty shady. You think people get in these? I mean, obviously they built steps.
Yeah, you can get in.
Huh. Well, that's a long ways down.
But look, I even see the flowers down on the side of the rock.
Oh yeah, the succulents are down there too. I see a couple of them. Oh, this is one. Oh, but it's like dying.
No, that's not one.
Huh?
No, that's not one. And maybe it was one. You see, it's all it's powdery. So when you touch it, it gives off like a powder.
Huh.
Wow. Look at that cluster right there.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. I'm getting hungry.
Yeah, me too. Fran wouldn't actually let me try to get any of the succulents that were near the highway because they were really close to the highway and passing traffic, or they were hanging over a cliff over the ocean, which is probably a good thing that she stopped me from doing that. To eat, we stumbled across the coolest place to eat if you're over 60 and you're American. They had smooth jazz playing the whole time. And even though we're in Mexico, they charged dollars. Mind if I?
No, yeah, go for it. You may.
So after we went for a little walk on the beach, it was back to business. Find one of these succulents. yeah. Little guys. We found them everywhere, just nowhere that you could easily get to or safely get to. Until Fran found a set of stairs that someone made going up the hill. It was a set of stairs going up to a little altar to Jesus. A little shrine to Jesus. More tools. Thank you, Jesus, for the stairs. Got one. It's not a big one though, but I can see the big ones.
That's it, huh?
That's it. There's ones like almost too big for this pot up there, but yep, I'm just not hardcore enough to get those.
So, here is the plant we got yesterday, or Ryan got yesterday for us.
Yeah, thank you.
So today we're just gonna go and plant it. There we go. Planted.
So later, I wanted to find out what this plant was technically called, so I can sound smart to my friends. And what I found online shocked me. Succulent smugglers descend on California. Stolen succulents, hipster plants at center of smuggling crisis. Succulent mafia? I totally thought going out and getting a plant for the garden was going to be completely innocent. I'm not even sure if what we found was actually one of these plants that they sell to Asia. So I called what I would guess is a botanist, and I turned myself in. I confessed my sin, and he said what the responsible thing would be to do is to go back and replant it where I found it. So to clear my conscience, that's what we're gonna do. Okay, I'm back. So we went and we returned it. See, it's not there. Watch out, Fran. See, it's not there. It's not there, but we're
Really
still.
sad.
No. My conscience is clean.
Yeah,
We learned our lesson.
that was the right thing to do.
We'll think twice. We'll look it up before we dig it up.
I guess we'll just go to the local nursery next time.
Hey, you want to know how I made this vlog? Well, I actually made a whole video course based on how I made this vlog. Check out the link in the description below. The first video is free.